Hello again. After recording the first video, I decided to also measure harmonics of this radio output in English language too, because I watched the first video and looks like it's not so horrible. Yeah, and I decided to record the second one about measuring this radio output with tiny SA. There are two attenuators of 30 dB, one for 10 watts output and the second is small, and it's enough to measure. And let's just check. I set it up the frequency range of signal analyzer to 140 to 300 megahertz, and I want to see second harmonic of radio output, and want to see also the first signal, main signal, dBs, to convert it to the watts, to check how my power meter is accurate. And we're getting 21 dBm and it is around 8 watts, so yeah, looks like power meter is pretty accurate and it's okay. And as we can see, there is no second harmonic, so the output is pretty clean. But to be sure, let's add the range to check third harmonic, and it should be, let's just megahertz. I'm not seeing anything, so looks like the output of the radio is pretty clean. It's nice, but we are measuring it on the 2 meters band. Let's measure on this 70 centimeters. Let it be 400 megahertz for start, and let's set the end of band to maximum. So let's check. Switching
3,
channels.
4, 5.
I don't see anything. Yeah, and it is because I set the ranges incorrectly. I don't know why. Now it is better, but I won't stop to the 900 megahertz. It not allows me. Okay. Not okay, because it's not enough to measure what I want. I want to see second harmonic. Why it's measuring only to the 800 megahertz? I don't know. I thought that it should measure it up to 900. Okay. Looks like we need to enable ultra mode. And I totally unable to recall where to set it. Mode, spectrum analyzer, measure, config, more, enable ultra. 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. What is the pin code for ultra mode? I can't remember it. 1 second. Okay, I checked it on the site, and it's just wrong order of the digits, so it should be 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, much better. Frequency start 400, stop 900. Oh, okay. So we are seeing main output with a 20.8 dBm, and it is around 8 watts too. Okay, let me stop recording and calculate it. Yep, it is 8.3 watts output power. It is okay, and we are not seeing second harmonic, and it's nice too. So let me summarize. The output of this radio is pretty okay. Let me tell it again. It's not 10 watts, it's around 8 watts, but it's pretty clean and it is acceptable, so it's okay. This is the second part of the video. In the first part I was using external microphones, and now I'm recording this video without any microphones, without any external microphones, just using my phone to watch this video after I upload it to YouTube and compare the difference. So okay, I'm uploaded the new firmware on the radio, OpenGD77, and I just want to compare the output power between OpenGD77 and original firmware. So I need to set power to the maximum, and it showed me 5 watts. If it will be 5 watts, I'm completely okay with that, as I said previously. But I want to check if it's lower or higher. And where is the backlight of the power meter? I don't know what diamond still using this old technology, like just lamp, not diode, not light diode. I don't know. I can say that using light bulbs is better in any case. I can say that the light from light bulb is better than LED. It's, I don't know, it's pretty the same in case of, I think it's worse. Don't know why they're still using. It's energy inefficient and low light, and I don't know. It's pretty strange decision. It's a pretty new power meter. I bought it some month ago, few, I don't know, maybe 4 or 3. Okay, anyway, let's check the output power. Error. Why it is error? Lyrics only. Oh, come on. User power, band limits. Okay, let's disconnect the radio from power meter and let's make some quick preview of the menus here. It's not short, I mean the list of the options. Display options, sound options, language calibration, blah blah blah, general, GPS is off. Okay, I can live with that. It's not we are searching for. Where is the mode of the channel? Radio info, satellite, it is satellite tracking. As I remember, to track satellite we need to upload satellite TLE separately from CPS for OpenGD77. Zone, all channels, okay, contacts, channel details, APRS, how to disable APRS, I don't want to use APRS here. No, channel power, OMG, how to switch settings. When I press green button, it just drops me out from the menu. Red button is the button that returns me one. It returns me up to the menu hierarchy. How to switch? Oh, yeah, the knob. Mode FM, DMR, TX, PRS. Okay, let me pause the recording, and I'm going to check what's going on here, and will return when I figure out. Just after uploading the firmware, the radio has empty code plug, so I'm just created the new fresh code plug in the CPS and upload it into the radio, and looks like it should work now. .5 W output power. Ouch. It's much higher than in stock. 9 watts on the 145.0 megahertz. It's much higher. What amount of watts we get with a 50 milliwatts setting? It is around 3-4 milliwatts. Let's increase it to the 1 watt output, and it will be 2.5 watts. Okay, 3 watt setting. Ouch. Around 6 watts output. Okay. 2 watts, 4 watts, 2 watts setting, 4 watts output. It is around multiplied on 2 settings. If we set 2 watts, we're getting 4. If we set 3, we're getting 6, and something like that. Just double output. Let's switch on the, for example, 433 megahertz. Uh, 2 watt settings. 2 watt setting. 3.5. Let's maximize it to the 5 watts setting, and we are getting 6.5 watts output. Let's set up 1 watt, and on the lower side it is more than double, and on the higher side it's more closer than the setting. Okay, I'm going to measure harmonics on the tiny SA again. While I'm going to measure it again, because if output is the same, we don't need to do these measurements again, but output with the OpenGD77 firmware is a bit higher, so we can get second and third harmonics in the output. So I want to ensure that output signal is still clean, and I'm going to start with a 70 centimeters band. Okay, setting 5 watts output maximum. Okay, I'm not seeing any harmonics, and output is around 60 minus 20.5 dBms. Let me disable the video again and calculate it. And it is 8.9 watts output, so it's around 9 watts output, and output still clean. So let's check 2 meter band. Frequency, let's start from here to here. Enter in 145.0 megahertz, and output is on maximum. Pressing PTT. Still nothing. I'm not seeing any harmonics, so I don't know. I was reading OpenGD77 forum, and I saw something like that somebody is posted the message that he is getting harmonics in the output, and when watching it on the SDR receiver, I don't know, I'm not seeing anything. The input still clean, it's okay. And let me calculate output. Yeah, and it's around 10 watts, like a power meter showed previously. So the output of this radio is pretty nice, and the output power is pretty nice, so I'm happy here. Okay, I'm going to continue to investigate this new firmware on this radio. I have a original OpenGD77 radio. It's pretty old, and it's not looking nice like this display. It's not color, but it's not problem for me, because to be honest, I like monochrome displays more than color on the radios. So I will say it is okay for me. Okay, bye everyone.